So I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil. So here's your engine oil dipstick. Just going to pull that out. I'm going to wipe off any oil that we have on there. Put it back in. Let me take a look. Here's where it would be if it were full of oil, and that's if you're low on oil. So you want to keep the oil between the F for full and L for low. So looks good. I'm going to put that back in there. I notice on Kias and Hyundais, they do burn a lot of oil, or maybe not burn, but they do consume oil. So wherever it's going, they do have some engine issues from time to time, and I think it's related to the oil consumption and people not checking their engine oil. So I would suggest every 1,000 miles, just check your engine oil. It could help save you a lot of money in aggravation and engine damage. If you were low on engine oil, what you would do is, if you can see here, it takes 5W20. All you would do is take this cap off for the oil, and then you would pour in your oil with a funnel, and then continue to check your oil until you're between the low and the full range on the dipstick. If this helps you, remember, please subscribe and have a great day.